Hello friends, welcome to Upmetrics AI. In this video, I walk you through the steps of creating a comprehensive cleaning company business plan. We will begin by defining a business profile of our cleaning company business and providing essential details so that our AI will learn more about our business idea. Then, we will ask our AI to draft a business plan for us based on the information that we just provided. After we have drafted a plan, I will guide you on how you can customize and give a personalized touch to your business plan. Let's jump right in. Now, we will begin by creating a new workspace for our cleaning business. Let me tell you, Workspace is a set of business planning tools, including a business plan builder, financial projection tool, and pitch deck designer tool. Let's call our cleaning company as Sparkle Clean. Next, we will provide some brief information about our business idea. For example, I, John Doe, along with my partner Jane Doe, am planning to start cleaning services called Sparkle Clean in downtown Austin, Texas. Sparkle Clean will offer eco-friendly and affordable cleaning solutions, etc. This is how you may define a brief about your business idea, like what does your business do? Now, what is your business tagline? Let's ask AI to suggest some taglines about our business. Okay, we are selecting Cleaning That Sparkles, Eco-Friendly That Matters, and going ahead. We are forward defining our business profile. Select the industry in which your business is going to operate. Our business is cleaning, so choose cleaning, maintenance, and repair. Our business stage is yet in the idea stage. Is the company currently in operation? Choose No. Now, country and currency setup. We are operating from the United States, so leave these settings as it is. Next, what is your current funding situation? We are bootstrapped. And are you looking for funding for your startup? Yes, we are looking for some funding. Let's say we are looking for some $50,000 of funding. The purpose of our business plan is to seek an investment. Now here it will generate some questions about our business idea. We just entered the basics of our business idea, so AI will generate some questions about our business idea. Our cleaning business idea questions would be something like, what products or services are you going to sell? Who is your target audience? What is your business mission? Etc. Here it has generated 11 questions about our business idea. So what core mission drives your cleaning services, and how do you define success in achieving it? So we need to answer all these questions in brief. Now, we are going to use AI-generated answers to quickly move forward. But you can always personalize these questions. Also, you can always customize this question based on specific to your own business idea. Here, we are moving ahead with AI-generated answers. Okay, we answered all 11 questions now. Here you can invite your team members, colleagues, stakeholders, or mentors who can help you plan your business along with you. You can invite up to 5 team members within this workspace. Now we have added all the essential details around our business idea. Now we will ask Upmetrics AI to draft a business plan for us. So we will pick an option to generate with AI. So we will ask AI to write a business plan for us. While it prepares a business plan, let me show you. This is our business plan builder interface. Here you will find a set of visual elements you can just simply drag and drop into your business plan. These are the predefined templates like SWOT analysis, competitive advantages, Porter's 5 forces, and pestle analysis, etc. And this is a business plan outline. Through this outline, you can navigate your business plan. Okay, so our business plan is ready with us. It has written all the content for us based on the information that we have provided earlier. Now let's read what it has written in our executive summary. Sparkle Clean is pioneer cleaning services based in downtown Austin, Texas, co-founded by John Doe and Jane Doe. Our mission is to provide eco-friendly cleaning solutions, contributing to healthier living and working environments. etc. So here is what it has been written in our company overview section. It has even also included some graphical elements like business owner's chart history and background. In the product and services sections, it has written a cleaning service package for us of $150. Market size charts. Now you can always customize these sections. Let's say you want to rewrite or improve this section. There are always AI assistants available to auto-write, auto-improve this section over here. Also, you can compare this difference and then you can use this content however you want. Okay, now let's say you want to write a SWOT analysis for your business. So what you will have to do is simply just drag and drop the template from the left sidebar. Here, go to the AI writing sections. Write a quick prompt like, I'm writing a SWOT analysis section for my business. Please help me write a strength section in a listicle way in very brief for my business. Now simply click on the auto-write option. Use this content in your template so it has a written string section about your business idea. Simply review these details and modify them however you want. Now move ahead. Go to the financial sections. We see all the data are 0 here. That is because we haven't yet initialized our finance module. Now we will initialize our financial forecasting module. There we are going to plan for the next 3 years. Starting from January 2024 for 3 years. And our financial year is starting from, let's say, January. Okay, so it has initialized our financial module. Now within this, we need to add our assumption about how we are going to generate revenue, how the cost will be applied to our businesses, what the operating expenses will be applied, what salaries and wages will be considered, and what the funding and assets will be included in our financial part. So let's start with adding revenue. There is also an option to suggest revenue streams for our business. So let's ask AI to suggest some revenue streams. It has suggested cleaning services, residential cleaning, commercial cleaning, specialized cleaning, etc. These are the maintenance services. We will start with a residential cleaning service there. Let's say this is a charge per service business. We are expecting to have 300 customers a month. And for each, we will charge $120 per customer. So this business will generate this much of the revenue. Now let's add some marketing and sales activity based on that. Let's say we expect to have 2% monthly growth. And based on the growth rate, it will improve from February and it will start improving the revenue. The first month, it will be $36,000. And from the next month, it will be $36,720 of the revenue. But revenue won't start immediately. It will take some time to set up the business. Let's say we will start selling our services in July. Okay. So now we are done with adding the revenue stream. Now we will start adding the cost of sales services. Let's say 30% of the revenue will be spent on COGs. Now, we will ask AI to suggest some operating expenses around the cleaning and maintenance services. Here, AI has suggested some operating expenses stream. Let's choose some social media advertising, some utility expenses and insurance. Okay, so now let's say the water and electricity utilities bill. We are spending $500 per month. For the insurance, we are spending $2,000 per year. For social media advertising, we are spending, let's say, $1,500 per month. So we have done with adding expenses. Now it's time to add personal expenses. We'll ask AI to suggest some cleaning and maintenance repair expense streams. Let's say general manager and cleaning supervisor salaries. For general manager salaries, let's say $5,000 per month and 10% of the annual increment. For the cleaning supervisor, let's say $3,500 per month and a 10% annual increment in their salaries. Now it's time to add some bank loans. Let's say we need $50,000 of a bank loan. It will take 24 months to repay it, and 12% a year is the interest rate. Now it's time to add assets. Let's say cleaning equipment and company vehicles we need to purchase. Let's say we are spending $20,000 for cleaning and vehicle expenses. 50% of the salvage value we are expecting after 3 years. So now we are done with adding all the financial components like revenue, cost of sales, expenses, personnel and salaries, funding, assets, etc. Now it's time to look into our dashboard. So when we look into our dashboard, it has calculated all the important metrics like cash in, cash out, net cash, and funding requirements for the financial year 2024. Also, it has a calculated break-even point. We are going to start selling our services in July, and it has calculated our break-even point in November 2024. Even we can see the financial reports. The key financial reports are profit and loss, balance sheet and cash flow are calculated with all important details. Now we will be able to see the data flowing in the financial plan chapter of our business plan. You can see this data was empty previously, but now it is showing some figures. There is a financial section in the left sidebar. Here, you will find all the important financial reports and charts you can simply drag and drop in order to embed these charts into your business plan. Simply just drag and drop any chart or report. You can see we have just added our break-even chart to our business plan. Once you have prepared your business plan, and if you want to customize your cover page, there is an option. We have prepared a set of cover page designs for you. You can simply customize or choose any of these cover pages. The options are available, and you can even pick and customize the color scheme based on your brand colors. Before that, you can download and share your business plan. From here, you can simply download our business plan in PDF or doc format. You can also share your business plan online using a publish link. Now, we just created a business plan for your cleaning company business. Remember, this is just a blueprint for your foundation. With Upmetrics, you can refine your forecasts, tailor your strategies, and adapt your plan to meet the demands of your target market. Try Upmetrics to create your business plan today. Join us in our next video for more such business planning tips and strategies for your cleaning company business startup. Till now, thank you. Goodbye.